Hi, and welcome back to Car Training. In today's episode, we're going to talk about managing labor rates within car. So in order to get to the labor rates page, click on My Account and go to Labor Rates. You will be presented with a list of customer types, labor rate per hour, and the ability to update these customer types. The standard customer type must remain intact in order for car to function correctly. So please do not change the standard customer type. You can add your own underneath to all the custom settings that you need. We recommend the standard labor type be the labor type that you use at your service facility or fleet to assign a value to every service going through. You can then use additional labor types for customized fittings. So let's say if you work on European vehicles, cab over brakes, tractors, or exotics, you can set up different labor rates for each one. To add a new customer type, simply click Add New Customer Type from the top right-hand side, add a customer type name, and add a labor rate per hour. So now you can access these customer types and prices from two areas within car. From any service request page and any service request job, you'll find the ability to select different labor rates. So let's say you're doing electrical work on this client's vehicle, you can select electrical labor rate, and the system will auto-calculate labor based on that price. The second place where you can find labor rates is vehicle profiles. So you can set the labor rate to a very specific vehicle and always have it show up every time you work on that vehicle for that client. Thank you for tuning into Car Training. We'll catch you on the next one.